Hey everybody! So I have a bit of a haul and I thought I would do it before I start putting all this stuff away. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps get me out there. You can't find my channel right now. So anyways, I have orders coming in. I'll start with this because I got a pack of 24 on Amazon of these organic chickpeas, or it was 20 something dollars. So if you look on Amazon right now, you can find several types of the Goya canned beans. They're a pretty good deal considering. So yeah, 24 cans. Get to put those away. And then I got this at Walmart, I believe, the Wondra quick mixing flour. If you make gravy, sauces, and stuff like that, this is really handy. You don't have to make a slurry, just shake it in. So I like that really well, and it helps save your flour for baking. I got a can of green chili sauce. That's hard to find these days, so whenever I see it, I pick one up. I got a can of zucchini and tomato sauce. Hopefully I can can some of this summer if I can grow some. I always get those boerworms or whatever they are. I got a 4-pack of Hormel chili, and I think these are, yeah, the no beans. Sounds like my husband might be home. He'll be coming in any minute. I got this package of Bic Lighters. Let me see if I can get that open. Hang on. Okay, so what we have here, 2 packages of the Bic Lighters, and there's 6 in each one. And what I do to get these, I go directly to bic.com and click on the sale section, and I think these were $12.99 for 12 lighters. A lot of times if you go directly to the websites, you can find better deals, and I always go to the sales section. I go to idahoan.com for the potatoes, bic.com, seal and meal bags. I go directly to the websites, so you might find, better deals there, and when you buy so much, you'll get free shipping. I got some quart bags. These were from Amazon. They're cheaper than the Ziploc. I got 8 boxes of spaghetti, also on Amazon. The Hungry Jack mashed potatoes, also on Amazon. I got some non-dairy coffee creamer. Oh, and I canned some triple berry jam last night, and I've got some chicken and some broth. So I got a bottle of Ajax dish soap in orange and a bottle in lemon, and for some reason they're different sizes, but they were about the same price, so that was weird. I got a can of the dark sweet cherries. I'm trying to bulk up my fruit. I got some country apple pie filling. I got a bottle of olive oil. I believe these are all Walmart purchases. I don't even know anymore. I got some Bush's baked beans. I got 2 cans of the Hunt's pasta sauce. Don't know what happened to that label. I got a can of nacho cheese sauce. There's all my last night canning. I got some chili macaroni. I got a comfort purchase, the chicken and a biscuit crackers. And I got This is the grilled chicken, the pulled pork, and 3 cans of the beef. I'm sure you've seen some of this in my other videos. I got a jar of Classico, and I like these because they're the Atlas jars, and I do can in those. They do take a regular mouth lid. I got 2 containers of orange Kool-Aid because I love orange. And I've got a 2-pack of the cheeseburger hamburger helper. And I got a gallon of cooking oil. You might want to get your oils. And I got a can of spinach. So, when I ordered these on nuts.com, I got the pecans. Pecans go under your bed, just saying. And the walnuts. So, if you vacuum seal your nuts, they will last for a very, 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 very long time. So, that's my big messy haul. I'm going to put it away, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. I'm going to do some SHTF recipes and with some leftover mashed potatoes I have. So I will see you all soon. You stay safe, you stay healthy. Don't stress about everything. Just add some stuff to your pantry. Be ready. And yeah, see you guys soon.